In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove favorites in Outlook. If your favorites list in Outlook is getting crowded or you simply want to tidy up your sidebar, removing items from favorites is quick and completely safe. Favorites is just a shortcut area in the left panel for easy access to folders like Inbox, Sent Items, or specific subfolders. When you remove something from favorites, you are not deleting the folder or any emails inside it. You're only removing the shortcut from that top section so your view stays clean and focused. First, head to your Outlook homepage and land in your mailbox. You'll see your inbox and on the left, the navigation panel. Near the top of that panel is the Favorites section. Take a moment to scan what's listed there and decide which item you no longer want pinned as a favorite. This could be a default folder, like Sent Items, or any custom folder you've added. Next, point your cursor to the item you want to remove from favorites. Right-click it to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. On a Mac, you can also hold the Control key and click to bring up the menu. On a touchscreen, a press and hold usually opens that same menu. The key is to make sure you're right-clicking the item within the Favorites section, not the version of the folder buried lower in your full folder list. From the menu that appears, choose Remove from Favorites. As soon as you click it, the item will disappear from the Favorites area. There's no confirmation box in most cases, and that's okay. You're only removing the shortcut. The folder itself remains safely in your main folder list, and every message inside is untouched. If your goal is to streamline your view, repeat the same action for any other favorites you no longer need. This helps you keep the top of your sidebar focused on the folders you check most often, which can make navigating your mailbox much faster. If you ever change your mind, you can always add a folder back to favorites later from your regular folder list. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the favorites section, make sure the left panel is expanded and you're in the mail view. And if multiple accounts are connected, confirm you're managing favorites in the correct account sidebar. That's all there is to it. You've cleaned up your Outlook favorites without affecting a single email. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more organized mailbox.